Hello everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you hopefully how to change out one of these little feather things on this cat toy. The first thing you want to do is hit the top. You want to keep going till the light turns red. Alright, once you do that, it should pop out. Mine did not, but that's okay. And you're just going to, looks like you're just going to unscrew that, like so. Got a little dowel there, and you're just going to screw it on. Make sure you get it on there good and tight. You don't want your kitties getting these off and somehow swallowing them. Though they are a little big for that. Alright. Once you do that, you're ready for your kitty to play once again. Thanks for watching everyone. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye ya!